Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man versus the Green Goblin. It's going to be one of those face-to-face stare downs. It's going to be easy, completely for beginners. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, alright? So let's get started, okay? First thing, we're going to start with Spider-Man on this side, and then we'll do the Green Goblin on this side. So let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw stuff. I go over things on this channel like Spider-Man, I go over Pokemon, Godzilla, I go over so much. Hit that subscribe and you gotta press that bell notification. Alright, let's do this. Curve right here for the front of the face. Pulling up. Pulling down here. Out. You're going to keep pulling up for the top of the head. Curve around. And pulling down here. I'm going to pull down over here for the chin. Back. Up. Have that right there. That marker's kind of dying. I'm going to grab a different one here. Line underneath. I'm going to go over here, find the eye, curve, up, and I'm going to pull down here, and it's going to scoop underneath. Very much at scooping. Do a little explosion sign. Same thing over here. Same thing over here. It's going to be kind of round. And what I'm going to do here is going to have lines radiating out. Radiating out. Radiating out. Radiating out. Radiating out over here. They're radiating from the center over here. The center is this way. Line over here. And I'm going to throw a few more back here to kind of finish that off. The neck itself is literally just going to be a checkerboard. Right? I'm going to draw a line here for the chest. But like the neck over here, literally just a checkerboard. It's literally just kind of, it's really easy, the neck. Let's go over here and draw the Green Goblin side now. Gonna go over here, pretty close to him, or I could just draw it on this side. And I'm gonna go right here for kind of the anger, what do you call the brow? Up for the front of the forehead. Pull back as far as I can, down to the back of the head. Pulling in, up, down. He's got a pretty big eye himself. Line over here. Curve back. A big old bug eye in this like helmet he has. Down over here, up for the top of the brow. Curve down. Gonna go over here and find the top of the nose, pulling out. Down. Kind of a hook nose for that mask. Pulling in, up. Up over here. Curve along that side. Down over here for underneath the eye. And a line over here for underneath the eye. Down over here for the top of the lip. Down over here. Back. Line from the side of the nose down to the mouth. And that's going to pull down here. Kind of like this open mouth, that mask. Sharpish teeth over here. It's going to pull straight down because there is like a mask there. Sharp teeth underneath. Down. Out. Down here. Up. Pull up. line over here for the side of the cheek, up, And what's going to happen is there's going to be a giant ear. It's going to go almost off the page here. Down, curve in. Sorry, the paper even curled there. A line over here for the inside of that ear. I mean, it's not a real ear, it's more just like shapes of a real ear, but you could do something like that. And it's going to curve underneath. Line down here to make it look a little bit more like a mask. Curve down here, out here, up. Down over here. Line down for the neck, and line down for the front of the neck here. And this neck has completely, you just draw straight lines across. That's kind of the way it is. It's got that kind of goofy look, which I actually like for this outfit. That's mostly it. You can draw like a line here to show kind of the more geometric forms here. Same thing over here as well. You can draw more of a geometric form. Line over here. Curve over here. Line over here. And that's kind of really it. I mean, that's the most you can do. But yeah, that was really cool. I hope you enjoyed this. I would draw like his head bigger because he opens his mouth more. It would make sense for his head to be bigger. But yeah, Green Goblin's awesome. I love the new movie, by the way. I saw Spider-Man No Way Home. If you saw it, let me know what you thought of it, whether you didn't like it, or you liked it, or you thought it was okay. Don't spoil anything yet. I think spoilers should wait about, what, like a weekish or two, right? About a week, I think. So it hasn't been a week yet, so... let me know what you thought of the movie in the description. I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. Please tell me. Alright, that's kind of it. Talk to you next time. I will see you soon. If anybody has any questions about anything else, let me know. And that's kind of it. Throw some more ideas at me. I'd love to throw some more ideas at you. Or I love when you throw ideas at me. And also, don't forget, I have a free lesson on how to draw Venom. It's a long lesson on Skillshare. This one, I don't even think you need to sign up. I'm just going to give you the code in the link. So in the link, you go in there, and I think you're going to get the code for it and everything. It's the first, like, it's completely free. I'll put the code in the description. Go check out that lesson, okay? It's kind of a really long lesson on Venom. Talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon, all right? See ya. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.